Okay, on number 1, it tells you it is a prism, and it tells you the area of the base. So when you do your two, I know it's been a while, guys. Volume of a prism is capital BH. And we said that capital B was area of the base, right? So then over here, we find area. Now, I still want you to shade your base, but do I have to find the area of this triangle? No, why not? Because they gave it to me. I don't have to do anything, they gave it to me. So that means that 36 is capital B. So V equals 36 times, what is H? 13, you got it. Now number 2, they don't give you area of the base. You have to find it yourself. So shade in the base here. If you made a mistake on this one, that might be what it was. And then you're going to have to do 2 formulas. It's a triangular prism, so you need prism formula. And it's triangular, so you need the triangle formula. Here's the trick. Which one of these numbers is the base? I'm only looking at the triangle. 4. And which number is the height? 3. Now this number goes in for capital B. And what number is H? Is it going to be 5 or 11? Remember, stand it on its base. This is the height. Number 3 gives you the words square and pyramid. That means you need the square formula and the pyramid formula. What's the pyramid formula? Pyramid, careful, not prism. Pyramid formula is 1/3 capital BH. And what is the square formula? Squares and rectangles are the same. So you need the rectangle formula. Your square is going to come from these 2 numbers. That answer goes in for capital B. 6 is your height. Do not forget to divide by 3. Multiplying by 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3. Number 4 says triangular pyramid, so you need the pyramid formula. And you need the triangle formula. Double check your formulas. If you got this one, if you're having trouble with it, it might be your formulas are bad. Now when you shade your base, all you're looking at is this triangle. The reason this one's tricky is because of this right angle. See it here? That means that this and this are your base and height. You're not going to use 5 at all. This answer goes in for capital B. and 4 is your height. Do not forget to divide by 3. If you are looking at number 5, you need to go back to number 2. This one is just like number 2. Number 6 says that we have a rectangular prism. So you need to draw the rectangular prism. And don't stress about what you label the sides. It really doesn't matter. We want to know the height. So your volume formula for a prism is this. Now it says the volume is 384. The area of the base is 96. You're looking for the height. Solve that equation just like you normally do. Number 7 is just like number 2. Number 8, you need to make sure you combine. So you can either multiply by 2 or add it to itself. But you're going to find the volume of 1 cube and then multiply by 2. Number 9, the tricky one says, what is the difference? So you're going to have to find volume of this one and volume of this one and subtract. So that is 2 formulas for this pyramid, 2 formulas for that pyramid, and then a subtraction problem. Tons of work. Number 10 is just like number 4. So go back and look at number 4. Don't let number 11 fool you. It says area. You have a triangle. Right? Right here. And you have a rectangle right there. Now, the tricky part is the height of the triangle. Boop, 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 boop. It's not 5 meters tall. That's from the bottom to the very top. And it's not 3.5. The base is going to be 6. The height is going to be 15 minus 3.5. And if you forget to line up these decimals, you're going to make a mistake. Oh, I'm sorry, not 15. My goodness, what a mess. 5 minus 3.5. Woo, you are going to get a crazy answer. That is the height right there. Number 12, it asks you for the area of the shaded portion. So you're going to have to find area of the square. And then you're going to have to find area of the circle. And then you're going to subtract. Now careful, the diameter of the circle is 12. So what is the radius? You might have to go back and look at your notes. You got to reach back into the back part of your brain for that one. It's been a little bit.